Must be love at first sight.
Ano yung first impression mo?
Gusto mo talaga malaman?
Oh, syempre.
Sigurado kang gusto mong malaman?
Yung first impression mo.
Kasi po nung sinundan nyo kami?
Oo. Nung
Ano,
nasa grocery.
parang pilingero. Yun ang impression ko sa'yo. Pero sabi parang mabait naman, pero parang mahangin.
Ano nga ba yung gino-grocery mo nun?
Ewan ko na, hanap yata kami yung bigas.
Oo, kasi naalala ko, kararating nyo lang noon.
Yeah.
Ilang araw pa lang kayo nung meeting?
Second day. Kasi hindi kami nakakain bigas ilang araw na. Ayun ang bigas. Kanin pa na.
Pero doon tayo, dumiretso mo tayo ng restaurant, I think kumain. Alis regalo kayo ng kanin.
Ikaw?
Kasi nung nakita kita nun, wala naman ako interest din.
The feeling is mutual.
I never dream, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
Sa totoo lang, nakita kita parang ang sungit talaga eh. Sinusundo kita kasi yung friend ko kailangan niya magkaroon ng
Chaperon.
hindi lang yun, saka
Chaperon tayo.
opportunity na makasama yung friend mo na silang dalawa lang. Kaya kita sinusundo kasi maglagi kayo magkasama.
Ah, ganun ba yun?
Yes.
I had a feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together, no one can break us apart. For our love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart.
Paano mo nalaman na in love ka na?
Hindi naman ako in-love sa'yo.
Teka naman.
After 2 years siguro. Ang tagal after 2 years. Hindi ka
Nandito ka na sa Regina nun ah.
Yeah. Kaya nga ako lumipat ng Regina, di ba?
Tagal after 2 years, ano ba yan?
Ewan. Bakit ikaw?
Ako? After 10 years?
Oo, sakit ang kape.
Tanong mo sa akin, sino aking mahal?
Hindi, siguro ganun din. After nung sabi ko, I think,
Di ba?
para sa akin, mas, kung pipili ako, I think I'll choose you. It's better.
Ariko.
Yun ang naisip ko nun eh. I'll better choose you na
Oo.
para mas...
Kasi ang dami mong pinagpipilian nun.
Ganun talaga tayo. Sabi mo naman, kwapo eh.
Hindi ka gwapo, wala akong sinabi.
Pag lumakad ka sa altar, ano kaya nasa isip mo? Tatakbo ka ba o hindi?
Baka tumakbo ako pa. Just daddy. It's too late.
Ano? Gusto mo pa na... Ano kaya? Hindi, iniisip ko lang eh. Habang naglalakad, isipin mo naglalakad ka na doon. Ano kaya ang iniisip mo?
Paano natin babayaran yung mauna?
Buwis.
Kasi nadagdagan yung utang natin dahil dito sa kasa. Kailangan ni Father to eh.
Yun lang yun. Pero sana, yeah. Think we're happy. I'm happy.
We will survive that.
Happy. I end up with you. Yun lang yun.
I end up with you.
Yeah, I end up with you. I'm happy. I think,
Yeah, me too.
even though I pagulo that, everything.
Yeah.
That's why I'm doing this because
Naging
I
so
really
blessed.
want to be with you. And I chose you.
Miss those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me
Yeah, this is forever. Kahit na marami tayong pinagdaanan
Yeah.
na mga pagsubok.
Well,
Kaya natin
hopefully.
yun. At marami pang pagdadaanan. For sure. Pero, kapit lang. Okay? Yes?
Wala nang atras. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Sabi ko amen. Hindi amen.
Sabi ko, amen.
Sabi ko amen. Sabi ko, Diyan ka na, mahirap mong kausap.
Uy!
Oh. Bukas na sa wedding.
Ay, pinitimpla kita kape. Walang kiss.
Bukas na.
Alright guys, me and mommy will try the big slide here.
seems to listen. If you go right, you know my tears can help but show. You'll break this heart and tear it apart.
Nakita niyo yung lake, so
This time.
the kids and mommy.
It's your smile, your face, your
Alin! Nausap na nila kadikit na yan.
Takot na takot talaga si mommy guys. So,
Malapit-lapit na yung aming hello.
Cause it's you who feels
alright, kain tayo guys.
There you go.
see when I know I've got you.
Guys, welcome. Sama ang buong pamilya.
This is my golf course. Lahat ng nakikita niyo, hindi akin.